Hi babies, we're the Double Time Twins, Ava, Loretta, and we're gonna show you how we got from this to this.
So you're gonna be blonde and I'm gonna be black. It's really exciting.
Yeah, I don't think we have that much dark
Wait,
in
hold
here,
on one second, hold on one second.
so be careful.
You're gonna see, you see everything in the blonde, so I just wanna make sure your hair is like really back tight.
Good.
Okay. I just don't want you to have any fireys.
I know.
Do you think we have enough?
That's the only thing we have left. And then we have white and gold.
I was so nervous. I didn't think I was gonna have enough, so I did like, don't touch. So I just did here to here, and then I had more, but I'm so grateful. It was only like half a bottle. I usually use like a full one, but Excel, I wasn't breathing for a minute. Yeah. All right, party.
We're using Jeffree Star. We're using Jeffree Star Jawbreaker.
Yes.
Two,
Yes.
and he was here for like 6 months.
Come on, I need your
Oh,
face.
sorry. Ready? Putting on sweatpants.
On one leg.
Can she put it on both legs?
No.
Red's just not even gonna answer. She's
No.
like, mess up my creation and
Putting a
crazy.
sweatshirt over your tape. I'm like, I'm literally going to destroy
Do
you.
not mess up my art.
Don't even look at me. Like the next week. Don't even look at me.
Oh, party! We're onto the shoulder. Living.
Right, does Ava annoy you sometimes?
Loretta, I'm sure we both annoy. Loretta, I'm sure we both annoy her.
I don't annoy her at all. I'm perfect.
So Loretta doesn't
I'm
annoy you,
perfect. Ava's
but I annoy you. Right.
I'm perfect.
Thank you, Robbie. Love you.
Oh my god, I love it. I'm like really taking it in right now.
Yeah.
There's no
Does that
need.
feel
It's already
tight?
so dark.
Does that feel tight?
It's actually very tight.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Amazing. I love that for you.
Oh, thanks. Don't spray the sparkles or the pony.
I'm hip. All right, mic tune.
I love it. This doesn't really match.
It doesn't?
Well, look. Well, it doesn't look bad.
It's okay. We'll spray some white. Oh yeah, this side for sure, because you can see.
Oh my god. Wow.